Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're unboxing this Tuff Tools multi-tool set. This set has sounds and lights. It's got hand tools and power tools. It's got a power nailer that lights up and moves. There's a power drill that lights up, spins, and makes sounds. It's got a complete tool set. Let's open it up and check it out. Let's check out what's in this tool set. We have a wrench. There's also a hammer. I love the cool design of the handle. We have a ruler. Here's a saw. We have some safety goggles. We have 3 screws that have bolts. Here's some wood that we can put the screws through. We have 4 different drill bits. And we have this fun drill. When you push the button, it lights up and makes drilling sounds. It even goes some on its own. Let's put in a drill bit. Let's go use these tools in the workshop. Wow, cool, check it out. We have some kinetic sand. I wonder what's inside. Let's start using our tools. Here's our first cut. Nothing yet. Let's cut some more. Here's our second cut. We're starting to find something. Whoa, what do you think it is? I think it's a mighty machine. Wow, I think it's a bulldozer. Let's finish getting this mighty machine out of here. This mighty machine is ready to go to work. Here's another one. Let's use our drill. What drill bit should we use? Let's try this one. Let's see if it works. It's looking good, but I want to try a different kind. Let's do this one. Wow! Check it out! It's coming along! What could it be? I think it's a dump truck. It is a dump truck. What a fun, mighty machine. I wonder if this is another mighty machine. I can't wait to find out. It looks like it's a steamroller. It is! It's a steamroller! Woohoo! It's so much fun to use these mighty machines. I wonder if we have any more. Let's use a wrench. I love finding out what mighty machines are hidden underneath. Do you know what it is? I think I know. Look, it's an excavator. I love these mighty machines. I'm ready to drill some more. Wow, it's another mighty machine. It's a wheeled loader. We love all these fun mighty machines. We also love all these fun power tools. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.